kid. I was 12 years old, and they were actually a real heavy metal band. And seeing them the first time, that blew my mind. Seeing the band from Los Angeles called A La Carte, they were incredible. But the most mind-blowing concert I've ever been to was on May 6, 1978. I think I was 10.